Alright, let's look at the example here for number 20. When we have the 5 on the outside of the parentheses, we don't want to raise it to the power yet. We need to get rid of this. It's kind of like if you were solving the problem 5x equals negative 20, your first step would be to divide by 5. So our first step up here is going to be to divide both sides by 5. So we divide by 5, and we get x minus 4 to the 1/3. Now we need to get rid of that exponent, and so what we're going to do is we're going to raise the whole left side to the third power, and we're going to raise this side to the third power. And what happens here is this, when we shower the power here, cancels that out, and so we're left with x minus 4, and negative 4 to the third power gives us negative 64. Now we just add 4 to both sides. And we get x equals negative 60. And you could take this, plug it back in here to check it. That would give us 5. So negative 60 minus 4 gives us negative 64. The cube root of negative 64 is negative 4. 5 times negative 4 equals negative 20. So that one works. Same idea on number 21. We don't want to distribute that. We need to divide both sides. So let's look at this example. So we're going to divide both sides by 3. And so we get x minus 2 to the 1/2 equals 4/3. And so now to get rid of that 1/2, we raise the entire thing to the second power. And so we're going to square both sides. And so we get x minus 2 equals 16/9. Now I'm going to add 2 to both sides. And when I add 2 over here, instead of writing 2, I'm actually going to write 18/9 because I want it to have a common denominator. And so 18 divided by 9 is the same thing as 2. And so that gives us x equals the 34/9. So if you wanted to, in your free time, you could take that 34/9 and plug it in.